Now, the most fundamental aspect of Islam is what? Is the belief in the one God. There aren't 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 gods. There's just one God. Imam Ali alayhi salam, the cousin of Prophet Muhammad, he has a beautiful narration in which he's telling his son, Imam al-Hassan. He tells him, my dear Hassan, if there was another God, you'd see his signs. He would send prophets. He would send divine books. How come we don't see any traces of that other God? All these prophets which God sent, from Adam, from Noah, from Abraham, David, Solomon, Moses, Jesus, and our prophet, they all pointed to one God. Did you see any prophet who came with miracles and had a valid claim and pointed you to another God? So where's this other God if there was another God? That's one issue. The second issue, if there was another God, you'd have a clash between these two gods. Let's say God number 1 wants to create John. He wants John to exist. God number 2 doesn't like that. What do? Who's the referee here? Is one more powerful than the other? But God, by definition, is the all-powerful. You'll have a clash. And you will not have this beautiful, organized universe which follows one law. You see the signatures of one creator in everything, not 2. So we know that there is one God, and this is what all monotheistic faiths teach. All prophets of God, they point us to the one God.